But overall, here's why renting could be better. First, if you plan to stay in your home for less than 7 years, then renting tends to be the cheaper option. That's because when you move and sell, you're not going to have to come out of pocket for things like escrow fees, commissions, title charges, and miscellaneous expenses that usually reduce your take-home selling price by about 6%. That's why generally, the longer you own your home for, the easier it is to spread these charges over a period of 10 to 20 years. But in the short term, you're unlikely to recoup it anytime soon. Second, renting is better if you could make a significantly higher return from your down payment. For example, if you're running a business and tying up $100,000 in a property results in you making a lot less money, that could be a case against buying. We're also at a bit of a tipping point where a 7% mortgage is about on pace with what you could earn in the stock market, so it might make sense to have your money not tied up in a house. Third, this might sound self-explanatory, but renting could also be better if you believe the market's going to stay flat or even go down in the short term. As of now, housing prices have completely defied the odds by continuing to go higher even despite higher interest rates, but this isn't guaranteed to happen over the next 10 years. Fourth, renting could also be better if you want to have very little upfront cost or responsibility. Like outside of fixing items that you directly damage, a landlord's going to be responsible for all the property tax and insurance increases, repairs, or anything else that goes wrong with the home. You, as the tenant, just pay one fixed cost and everything is taken care of for you. If you have a good landlord, of course. And finally, fifth, renting could be better if you value flexibility.